Nutrients real estate agent here to help you find your piece of land. The people of Burrnautilus value healthy and nutritious foods, chemical-free crops, and locally grown products. We rely on our citizens to help us prosper. We promote happiness through green energy sources, recreation, and park facilities.
Burrnautilus is 3 years old. It's located in Brakeman's Valley of Whitewater Valley. Our population of 64,000 lives on a city designed on a grid system. And this grid system helps us provide efficient transportation and maximize our space utilization. We have 3 major sections of our city. Downtown, which has large commercial buildings, and our second part is outside downtown. It has small residential units and small commercial enterprises. And our first is just industrial. Our wind farms provide a barrier between our industrial and our residential parts of our city.
Major landmarks include the Zen reflecting pool and the Folly Wheel, a giant mountainside Ferris wheel which features a panoramic view of the city. The Nautilus Shell Fractal Gardens, located in downtown Burrnautilus, are vertical soybean growing gardens, which are above the streets. Underneath the city streets is the Subterranean Accelerated Lettuce Agricultural Domain, known as SALAD. SALAD is a vast underground production facility which takes advantage of the nearby river as the water source for its aquaponic growing system. Innovative red LED lights suspended above the lettuce provide and emit red LED light. Our lettuce can be grown all year round and in 1/3 the time of the normal lettuce crop. Red LED lights are 60% more efficient than fluorescent lights when it comes to farming, and the photosynthesis process in the lettuce that we've chosen, which I believe is romaine lettuce, it uses red photons, which is provided by the LED lights. So that makes LED lights the best choice, especially red LED lights. And, okay, 61 degrees Fahrenheit is the temperature that we keep underground because we are accounting for the heat provided by the red LED lights in order to keep the temperature appropriate for growing crops. Now, the heat from the LED lights bring the temperature up to about 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which is an ideal temperature for growing.
We chose to grow lettuce and soybeans because they're nutrient dense and easy to grow in an urban environment. Dark green lettuce, especially romaine, has vitamin C and beta-carotene. These nutrients help lower cholesterol. And the lettuce that we are growing, which is romaine, is 20% protein, which helps build and keep muscles. The minerals in lettuce remove toxins and keep the acid-alkaline levels in balance in your body. And this nutritional benefit improves the energy levels of citizens. It also has low glycemic levels, which, given the current levels of diabetes in the United States, is important because we don't want to get sugar levels too high in our foods.
Likewise, soybean is an excellent choice because they represent 3 major food groups: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. This combination provides energy and nutrients needed to build muscles. Soybeans are also a great source of insoluble fiber, which helps with digestion. Eating soybeans can actually prevent many digestive issues and dangerous diseases such as hemorrhoids and colon cancer. In addition, soybeans are calcium rich, which helps keep bones strong and helps prevent osteoporosis.
We use an extensive underground aquaponic system to provide nutrients for our lettuce and to help it grow. Rainwater is collected from the surface, and it is put through pipes that send it to the underground farms, which the water is then dispersed into pools that help the lettuce grow. By using nutrient-rich solution to grow our plants instead of soil, we are able to grow more crops and in places that we normally couldn't grow them, such as underground. Aquaponic systems also help plants to grow more quickly and to use less water, space, and energy than other farming types.
The 9 city parks of Burrnautilus are clustered in a semicircle around the downtown area. They feature an outstanding skateboard park, which provides entertainment for the city's youth. 2 basketball courts are located on each side of downtown. A soccer field is located near the Zen Reflecting Pool, and a barbecue pavilion provides a perfect area for large gatherings and social interactions for the citizens. A smaller barbecue pit a few blocks away is used for organized groups like Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts.
We have 8 city water towers to store water for our citizens. And Burrnautilus is completely powered by green and efficient energy, which is wind. And our waste disposal utilizes 55 of its 140 tons, keeping pollution of the air low. And we have a sewage treatment plant with double pools that helps keep ground pollution low also.
Burrnautilus houses 2 medical clinics and a hospital to serve the health needs of our population. 2 police stations, 1 fire department, and the Regional Rehabilitative Correctional Facility they keep our citizens safe. Now, our large centrally located grade school uses the outstanding city bus systems to deliver our students safely and on time to school. And the school attendance is extremely high, and the public library is less than half a block away from the school.
Our excellent transportation system includes 2 bus systems with stops on 3 out of 4 streets. Underground rails beneath the city provide additional transportation.
We owe much thanks to our agriculture engineers in our city. They help by surveying the land, measuring air quality, and designing the agricultural structures that
Stop.
such as support beams and the Nautilus-shaped vertical farming structure.